Welcome to our YouTube channel Options and Ideas. In this video we learn about one of the component of negotiable instrument. The Negotiable Instruments Act was enacted in India in 1881 according to Section 13(1). A negotiable instrument is a signed document that promises a payment to a specified person or assignee. Negotiable instruments are transferable, which allows the recipient to take the funds as cash, then use them as preferred. Examples of negotiable instruments include checks, money orders, and promissory notes. Types of negotiable instruments. Promissory note. A promissory note is a financial instrument that declared by a party, promising another party to pay the debt on a particular day. It is a written agreement signed by drawer with a promise to pay the money on a specific date or whenever demanded. Bills of exchanges. A bill of exchange is a written order of one party to pay a fixed sum of money to another party on demand or at a predetermined date. Check. A check is an instrument with an unconditional order in writing, addressed to the bank to pay a specific sum of money to the bearer or to the person or entity named as the payee. A check can be issued for a current account or a savings account and can be used to deposit or pay money to others. This sample check is an order check of State Bank of India. Interpreted this check leaf according to the mentioned number below. Interpretation of a check leaf. 1. IFSC code. IFSC means Indian Financial System Code. It consists of 11-digit character code which helps to identify individual bank branches, and we have to mention it various online money transfer option like NEFT and RTGS. 2. OR order. In these checks, the words OR order is convey that such checks can only be issued to the person whose name is mentioned on the check, and the bank will do its background check to authenticate the check bearer's identity before releasing the payment. 3. Check no. In above check sample at bottom left corner we found 153,427 inch a 6-digit number which is serially arranged in ascending order in a checkbook. It helps us to track the status of a check. 4. MICR code. In above sample check at bottom we found 700,002,312 9-digit code which full form is Magnetic Ink Character Recognition. RBI assigns every bank a unique MICR code which helps to identify which bank that check represent. 5. RBI no. In above sample check 011614 6-digit number helps to identify account holder name and the bank where check was issued. 6. Account no. It's a unique identifier which helps banks to track our account and transactions and also help us for online NEFT and RTGS fund transfer. 7. Prefix no. The prefix no is a 10-digit no which used to recognize an order to pay the said amount. Usually there are no more use of it. 8. Rupees. How much amount we want to pay or we have to pay mentioning in word X, like if we have to pay 110,000 then we write 1,10,000 only. 9. Transaction code. The last 2 digits at the bottom right above sample check 31 is the transaction ID which essentially reveals whether this 10. Signature. Signature in bottom right corner denotes that the person who signed the check give permission to the bank to take money out from his/her account. 11. Pay. A person or a business entity whom we want to pay, we would write that person or business entity. Types of check. Bearer check, order check, forged check, cross check, post dated check, self check. Account payee check. Mutilated check. Bearer check. A bearer check is the one in which the payment is made to the person bearing or carrying the check. These checks are transferable by delivery, that is, if you are carrying the check to the bank, you can be issued the payment too. The banks need no other authorization from the issuer to be allowed to make the payment. Order check. In these checks, the words OR order is convey that such checks can only be issued to the person whose name is mentioned on the check, and the bank will do its background check to authenticate the check bearer's identity before releasing the payment. Forged check. The term forged often used for a check on which the drawer signature is forged or unauthorized. Crossed check. Crossed check is any check that is crossed with 2 parallel lines either through the top left corner or horizontally across the whole check. Crossed check would not instantly cashed by a bank or any financial institution. Post-dated check. If the bearer presents this check to the bank immediately after getting it, the bank will only process them in the check. Self-check. We can identify self-checks by the word self written in the drawee column. Self-checks can only be drawn at the issuer's bank. Account payee check. Account payee check is financial instrument which adding an extra layer of security and accountability. Account payee means the person instructs the bank only to the specific beneficiary bank account. Mutilated check. A check that is torn or damaged is called mutilated check. Banks generally will not process payment from a mutilated check without the confirmation of the reason behind dishonor of a check. Dishonor of check is a condition in which bank refuses to pay the amount of check to payee. Insufficient balance. Insufficient funds in the account to cover the value of the check. Signature. Absent of signature or if the signature doesn't valid. Account number. Account number is absent or not clearly mentioned. Amount. If the amount in figures and words does not match. Overwriting. Avoid overwriting in a check. Name. Name of the payee is absent or not clearly mentioned. Alterations. Any alterations made not proved by the drawer's signature. Contact us. Contact number 933003651 or 033240500124. Website http://www.optionsandideas.com or http://www.optionsandideas.org.